Hello, I'm Martin, and today I'll be giving you my final reflection presentation for Multidisciplinary Studies 300 Communicating Universally. Here's a brief summary of what I'll be going over. I'd like to focus this reflection on this course and how it helped me grow, as well as how it will affect my academic journey going forward. This course helped me facilitate some very important growth in communication online. The modules were helpful for critical thinking, and they were very insightful as I navigated the material. I felt as if the modules were helped me gain some insight into how I could communicate effectively online. The feedback I received helped me to construct my posts and projects more effectively. The primary thing about the modules which helped me grow was the regular post and reply format. It was good for routine practice and collaboration. The posts were helpful for insightful discussion. I enjoyed hearing from my classmates, which allowed for effective collaboration. I believe that the greatest strength of this course is the aspect of collaboration. You can revise and learn from feedback rather than scoring, which was very helpful for me because I'm a slower learner, and when I am placed under stress to commit things to memory, I often fall short because of it. After I redid my IDP and worked with my vocational rehabilitation counselor, I changed my goals slightly. I'm no longer pursuing a career in law enforcement and instead pursuing management, which I have tailored my degree to emphasize business management. This course helped me grow to adjust my professional goals by helping me define them, or asking me to define them. This was a challenge, and this was some help that I didn't know I needed. It was very welcome in the end. Some of the takeaways from this course, or the best takeaway that I feel from this course, was online communication. It showed me that this is a skill set which requires mastery in today's technical world. It showed me that I still have a lot to learn when it comes to online presentations and communications. I hope that the lessons learned from this course will help me effectively lead people as I go into the workforce. Communication is a big aspect of leadership, and I feel this course will facilitate good things for my future here at Boise State. Some of the goals that I adjusted were on my individual degree plan was I wanted to add some Spanish classes and learn how to speak Spanish and write Spanish effectively. I feel like it could help me learn another language that's very common here in America, and also it could just help me empathize with people and learn how to speak to people who are, not white. In conclusion, I feel that this course was beneficial to my professional growth and helped me to learn how to communicate effectively with others. As we end this course, I'd like to believe that I'm coming away with growth in professional communication. Thank you all for listening and helping me grow over the course of this semester.